Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on KILLSTAR merch. This is the second time that I've bought from them. If you haven't seen my other video of KILLSTAR, which I did about 2 years ago, I'll put it down below. But I bought so much when it was Black Friday, so I thought I couldn't resist to make a video for this. So, first of all, just want to say, I would put everything in the link below, but some of the things that I've bought aren't on the website anymore. And I can't find them. So I have wore 2 of these things already, and then the rest I haven't worn, and they're all in the packaging, so I can show you everything like that. So before I start, I ordered this last week Saturday, which was the 20th or the 21st, and then this came on Thursday the 29th. So it wasn't that long waiting for it. Obviously they don't count a Sunday, so technically it came in like 4 days, which I thought was really good. So the first thing I got was this Nobody Cares jumper, and I got this in a large, and as you all know, I love the detail KILLSTAR do. So this is in a large, and I love like the little detail that goes into it. It's just like on the end of the sleeve there's this, and then inside it says this. Everything is amazing when you don't give a, basically. But this is like, it's not like a thick material, it is kind of like a springy summer kind of jumper, but it does look so nice, and I was just like, I gotta wear it. And the next thing I got was this. Stress is caused by not giving a bleep. It's just a plain black tee with just the writing on it. And this is also in a large, and I believe this cost me like £10. But I love baggy tops, just my kind of thing. Okay, so now we go into this huge bag. So I spent about £73 worth. So that was £73 on 7 items, which I thought was really good. This is the kind of bag it comes with. It is huge. Okay, so so this is the first thing I got when I opened it. I got like this little KILLSTAR envelope, which I am keeping, by the way. And then I got this little thing here, and then inside is just a little card with like some very indie kind of trying to be cool girls inside. The Nobody Cares sweatshirt was £13.99. The Stress t-shirt was £6.99, sorry. So I'm going to keep that because I didn't know that. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, so I have already opened all this because 2 items are my boyfriend's. But each item comes in this like really nice KILLSTAR bag. And then you do get like the tissue all wrapped inside of it. But again, I've opened this, so right. So this is my boyfriend's, which I bought him, and it's a long sleeve top. It's quite thick actually, and then it's got like writing here, and then some here, and then it just says, "I got stoned in Salem." But he loves this. He loves this kind of style, so I put it in that. And this is in a large. And can I just say how pretty this is? Oh, I love this. And this was £13.99. The next thing I got was a tank top which says Sad Goth, and this is in a large. And then you got the little here. And this was £6.99. Like I said, everything was like cheap. It was so cheap. I was like, wow. Then, so here you get like a free sticker, and then I just think the tags are so detailed. It's like ridiculous. Okay, so this is another large tank top, and this is one of my boyfriend's tank tops, and it looks like this. And this is like a really wide tank top, as you can see. I might just knit this off him though. Shh. But yeah, this is a large. And this was £10.49. And the last two items are another one. Oh no, this one's mine. No? Yeah, this one's mine. So I got this in a extra large. It's just, the reason why I do buy larges and extra larges is just because I'm quite tall. I'm like 5'7", and like if I get things that are in a medium, they get shrunk in a wash, and I've just got to the point now where like, I don't even bother buying medium clothes anymore. Like I always just get the large. So this says today is cancelled, and it's got like a Grim Reaper. And again, this is just a tank top. I love the tank tops. If you watch my last one, I bought that one that says everything sucks, and I was like, I love the tank top quality, the material's just amazing. So that's why I've got like two this time, because I'm just like and then the last one, which is my favourite one. Well, Nobody Cares one is my favourite because that came out like around about 2015 or 2014 or 2013, like sometime, and like I loved it, but it was so expensive. It was like £35, or the top's like 25. I was like, no. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, I gotta buy it. So that today one was £10.49, and then this tank top is £10.49, and this is in a large. And this one says go to hell. You don't understand, this came out in like 2013, 2014. I was like, oh my god. And again, it was like so expensive in the shop. I was like, no, I'll just wait a couple of years. And then I got it and I'm like, oh, fangirling. But I love this. I just love this so much. I can't wait for the summer now. So yeah, altogether I spent £73.49. 43p. I definitely think like the quality of like everything you get from KILLSTAR is so good, but obviously you are paying the price. And I always wait. I only ever buy from KILLSTAR like once in the blue moon. Like the last time I bought from KILLSTAR was like 2 years ago, and like I generally do just buy it when it's cheap, because personally I don't really think a top is worth, or a tank top is worth like 20 something pound. Like I do think tank tops are worth like £6, £10. So I always just wait if it's like Boxing Day sale or a Black Friday sale, and then I buy from it. But again, the quality and the way, there's so much, like so much detail goes into every little thing, and that's what I just love about KILLSTAR, because I think that's just amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.